Can a parent be denied custody just because they're a stay-at-home parent? It's a terrific question. My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has the primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today, we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. You know, a lot of times our viewing audience gives us questions they'd like us to do videos on. And this is a terrific question because nowadays, a lot of people have stay-at-home jobs. So if you're a stay-at-home parent and maybe you don't have a job, maybe you're just raising your kids at home, is that a reason to not deny you custody? Well, you have to understand that custody is going to be based on what's in the best interest of the child. The best interest of the child is determined by about a dozen factors that the court evaluates, and active caregiving is crucial to the court's determination, but said a different way, work status is not necessarily going to be a factor, which means you can get custody even if you are a stay-at-home mom. Even if the other side's gainfully employed and you're only taking care of the kids, you can still get custody because the court may determine it's the best interest of the child to continue custody with the person who's pretty much had custody all throughout the marriage. Why? Because your spouse has been out in the workforce all day. By the time he or she comes home, the kids are pretty much up for an hour, they go to sleep. You've had the burden of raising the kids their whole lives, so it might make sense to continue that in the way of custody. The court has to make that determination. Does that mean financial stability doesn't matter? Of course it matters. It's very important. And if the court orders the stay-at-home person to have custody, there will be child support to assist in that. Of course, financial stability is a factor, but it's not the only factor. And it's not the only thing that's going to carry the day in the face of 11 other custody factors. Obviously, one thing that this should show you, every case is extremely unique unto itself. Therefore, do you have any questions about your case? Reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.
248-588-3333. 248